We also have the option of altering the height of the cells, specifically of the rows. We cannot alter the height of a particular cell, but that of its entire row. And this might be useful for highlighting some information. For example, I select row 3 and for example, when I put the cursor between row 3 and 4, I see that it transforms into an icon that lets you, for example, drag down and make the cell taller. Okay, this can clarify for us certain aspects of the spreadsheet, or it can also allow us, for example, to accommodate perfectly the contents of the cells that don't fit. For instance, here, surnames and name does not fit. I have the option of adjusting the width of the column. But I also have the option of adjusting the text. This button means that it is going to modify not the width of the column, but the height of the row, in order to accommodate the different words that make up this text. So I click on it and to the current width of the column. It will apply the height it needs in order to show me all the information. Okay, this is something that I could really have applied to this whole range, to the whole row, in such a way that it is applied not only to this cell, to cell 3, but to all the others. We see that when, due to the very nature of the contents, it does fit. We see that it adjusts them to the bottom of the cell. This is also something that can also alter using these icons here, which by default adjust them to the bottom of the cell, but we could also adjust them to the top, or even center them. Okay. So, with this we complement the possibilities that we have in order to adjust horizontally, and we can also adjust vertically. And that will give us a great many options, many features to augment the visual image of the spreadsheet.